budget-friendly, realistic electric fireplaces. We actually get a lot of questions about realistic electric fireplaces. This is probably our most popular question. That's why we created a special collection of realistic electric fireplaces on our store, modernblaze.com. You can check it out and you can actually just sort it by price so that you can see the most affordable options at the top. But I just went ahead and selected a few fireplaces that I think are the best for different categories. So let's take a look.
The Modern Blaze Show.
So here are some of the most affordable, budget-friendly, realistic electric inserts. All these three have the same size. They're 30 inches wide. And yeah, I think they're really well priced. Modern Flames is one of the top brands of electric fireplaces. They're famous for their realistic flame pattern. This is an LED fireplace, so it is somewhat an older technology, but it still looks really good and it's very well designed. If you're looking for an insert for an existing fireplace opening, they have great proportions to where they fit in nicely, and they have those extra trims that you can use to cover the gaps if you need to. Very easy to level and all that stuff. The second one is Litedeer Homes. This one is a virtual fireplace and actually has a crackling sound. It has Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your smartphone and control it via the app. So it has all of the latest like bells and whistles, and it's a great price point for this kind of technology. And the last one is our super popular Dimplex Revolution. So when it comes to traditionally sized electric fireplaces, this is one of the most popular fireboxes. Influencers love it, and it's just well designed to look like a gas fireplace because it's deep. It has the actual real depth. Unlike many other electric fireplaces, they have just a screen and the flame. There is no actual depth. This one has the depth, the firebox with the brick background, right? And behind the flame, the logs sit in the middle. It just looks more like your normal fireplace would. So it looks great when the flames are on and when they're off. That's why it's a great option and it's a great price point, especially right now. You can catch it at a good price point because Dimplex is getting ready to release a newer version of this. It will probably be better, but I'm not actually sure. I think something with the new backgrounds or something like that, though. This firebox already has this herringbone brick in the concrete look. Not sure what specific improvements. Maybe it will be like wireless technology as well. But this one is already really good. And so right now it's a good opportunity to catch it at a good price. Okay, let's go to the linear electric fireplaces. So we are still on the budget friendly. And so these guys are really well priced for realistic electric fireplaces. The first one is actually the newest one that out of the three. It's by Touchstone. So Touchstone is well-known budget brand of electric fireplaces. They mostly look pretty good, but not as real as I would like. However, this unit, because they're using new technology for this, looks really good, and it has a crackling sound and smart like wireless technology. Highly recommend. It's a great price point. I think this is probably like a 42-inch size, so it goes up from this. This is a starting price, but it is a really good price point. Highly recommend looking into this unit. And this is a Sideline Elite Pro, not to be confused with Sideline Elite, because they're a little bit older units, slightly different flame look. So Sideline Elite Pro is a little bit deeper because of the depth. It just has better flames. So next one is Dynasty Cascade. Don't be fooled by this screenshot. It's just the choice of colors, right? This fireplace can look way more real if you choose the right colors. So if you choose the color of the flame to be more yellow orange versus red, and if you choose the amber bed to be more orange, it will look perfect. And the flames are really tall and bright, so we consistently get really positive feedback about this unit. Very well priced. And the last but not least is tried and true Modern Flames Landscape Pro Slim. This one can be installed in a 2x6 wall. Actually got just the same as the other two. And Modern Flames is a great brand. They have beautiful, realistic looking flames. This is an LED fireplace and a great option. So this is a 44-inch size. You definitely can see it's much more expensive than Silent Elite Pro. But for some, that will make sense if you want that kind of frameless look, which Landscape Pro can provide, this is the unit for you. And the popular virtual and water vapor fireplaces, I selected these two units because they are very well priced. Litedeer Homes with their Latitude fireplace, it has all of the latest bells and whistles. The flames look great. It has the crackling sound and it has a wireless connection. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly virtual fireplace, that's a pretty good option, a really good option. And Dimplex Optimist Revive is a really good option for a water vapor fireplace because the price point is amazing. The installation is pretty straightforward and you don't need to plumb it. So this drawer right here, if you see it right here, it pulls out and inside you see the cassette. You can take it out, refill it, put it back in. Very simple, just tap water. And there are controls inside like this as well. Plus it comes with a remote. It has different color options of the flame and the crackling sound. So for all of this stuff that you get, it's a really good price point. Because yeah, water vapor fireplaces can go up to $8,000 depending on the size. But this is a great unit. You can use it as an insert or just build something around it or insert it into a cabinet. Great option.
The Fireplace Show.